Lesson 2.5, Addition, working with the standard algorithm. How could you estimate the total cost of these two gifts? We have 235 baht gifts and 152 baht gifts. How can you estimate these two to find the total? Look at these two students, figure it out. Sarah Wood did the calculation like this. Adding the 300 first, followed by the tens and the ones. Why Pui? Start with ones, adding the tens and the hundreds. They both arrive at the same answer, 387. Why did they do the same? What did they do the same, excuse me? And what did they do differently? The first person started adding from hundreds. The second person started from ones. Now let's talk about an algorithm. An algorithm is a set of steps you can use to solve a problem. You could use the standard algorithm to add the prices. So let's take a look at how algorithm steps works. First, you add the ones. You write it this way, 235 plus 152. Writing the ones beneath each other, the tens and the hundreds. So we add the ones first. 5 plus 2 makes 7. Then add in the tens. 3 plus 5, 8. And the last thing we do is add the hundreds. 2 plus 1 makes 3. So let's use this standard algorithm to solve the workout problems. Number 1, estimate the total cost. Then use the standard algorithm, addition algorithm to calculate the exact cost. So for the estimate, for me, I'll say is 278. So let's check if our answer is correct. Starting from the ones, 3 plus 5 makes 8. 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 plus 0 is 2. It's the same. Next, let's estimate this. So for me, I'll say it's 548. Now let's check our estimate. 3 plus 5 is 8. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Part C, let's estimate these two prices. So for me, I'll say is 586. Let's check. So we have 374. Now let's write the missing number, which is 212. And don't forget to trace this number. Four plus 2 makes 6. 7 plus 1, 8. 3 plus 2 makes 5. There you have it, folks. Now let's go on to the next page. This is the menu at a restaurant, I guess. Pad Thai, sometime green curry, tom yum goong, banquet for 2 people, and khao pad poo. Number 2, Estimate the cost of every combination of two meals in your head. Then use the standard algorithm to calculate the exact cost. So cowpad po and green curry. Cowpad is this 232. So we write 232. And green curry is 125. Now let's add the two. This is 7, this is 5, and this is 3. Now the next one, banquet for 2, we write 416. And pad thai, 103. Let's add up. There you go. Now part C, tom yum goong and khao pad po. Tom yum goong is 343. Khao pad po is 232. Let's add. We have 5. We have 7, 5. Now let's go on to the next one. We have the green curry. Green curry 125. Som tam 42. So let's add up. 7, 6, 1. Next, som tam kung, which is som tam 42. Now let's add up. This is 5, this is 8, and this is 3. Now part F, pad thai. Pad thai is 103. Khao pad po 232. Now let's do the calculation. This gives 5, 3, and 3. Now let's go on to the fast finishers. Estimate the total cost, then use the standard algorithm to calculate the exact cost. Let's estimate the total cost of the pencil, pen, and school bag. So as we have it, we have 300. Our estimate will be 389. Now let's see the exact cost. We write excuse me, 230 plus 127 plus 32. So we have 9. 3 plus 2 plus 3 will be 8 and 3. So the final answer is 389. Now let's go on to the practice 2 points. Before we go, we have to write the exact cost to be 389. Practice 2.5. Estimate the total cost of each pair of items in your head, then use the standard algorithm to calculate the exact cost. Students can do this first and come back and compare the answers to your own answer. So part A, book and ruler. We'll trace out the number. School bag. And pencil case. Now let's add up. This is 8, 3, 5. Part C, color pencils. Color pencils will be 245 and ruler 134 right here. So now let's add them together. There you go. Next, part D. Book and pencil. Book is 231. Pencil is 23. 4 and 2. School bag 332. Colored pencils 245. Let's add up. We have 775. 577. Now pencil case and pencil. So let's add up. We have 229. Book and pencil case. So book is 231. Pencil case is 206. Let's add up. We have 437. Color pencils and book. Book is 231. Let's add up. We have 6. We have 7. We have 4. 476. School bag right here. Pencil. So we have 5 here, 5 here, and 3. So compare your answers with mine. If it's incorrect, please do the correction.